Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnanतीर्थ विद्यालय, Pathri Road, Parvani. So friends, today we have to see the information or chapter from the Science of Standard 5th. In this, up to the last lecture, we have seen the information about third chapter. The name of the chapter is The Earth and its Living World. म्हणजे आपली पृथ्वी आणि सजीव सृष्टी या पाठामध्ये आतापर्यंत आपण जलचक्र, वातावरण, कंटिनेंट्स, सरफेस वॉटर, लँडफॉर्म्स, लिथोस्फियर, हायड्रोस्फियर, ॲटमॉस्फियर अँड बायोस्फियर. तर या घटकांबद्दल आपण माहिती घेतली. परत आज आपण बायोस्फियर म्हणजे जीवावरण हा जो या पाठामधील शेवटचा टॉपिक आहे याबद्दल अधिक माहिती आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये जाणून घेणार आहोत. ओके, सो फ्रेंड, सी इन दिस. Make a long list as you can all the living things you see in the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जलावरण, वातावरण आणि शिलावरण या तीनही ठिकाणी राहणाऱ्या सजीवांचं तुम्ही काय करा, निरीक्षण करा, त्यांची यादी बनवा. There are innumerable kinds of living things on the earth. When you observe carefully all these things or all these places, you can say there is a lot of diversity or innumerable kinds of living things on the earth. Okay, the various region of the earth differ in many ways. When places change, their atmosphere of that place, living things present on that place is also different from the other. Some regions are always covered with ice while others have a hot climate. See, some regions there is not a rainy season, there is only summer and winter season. At such type of regions there is lot of ice on the surface of that region, and that surface is covered with the snow or ice. Okay, so while other have a hot climate like desert region. In desert region there is a intensity of sunlight is a maximum, there is a scarcity of water, and there is a hot climate. There are mountains in some places and plains in other. See, the earth surface is not flattened everywhere. That is, some mountains are present in some region or plains in the other region. Some surfaces are covered with the forest, some are occupied by the desert. So these different landforms are present on the surface of earth. The surface of earth is not same everywhere. Okay, next, some places have a lot of rainfall while other are dry desert. You have observed before some days in Maharashtra there is lot of rainfall, but you can observe the Rajasthan or other country, there is a shortage of or minimum rainfall is present over there. So this is also difference between the two places. There are salty sea and ocean and also freshwater lakes. See, maximum water is accommodated in the sea, but the water of sea is salty. We can't drink that water. But when there is a borewell or well dug by man on the other surface, so with the help of that resources we can get a fresh water. The water in that borewell well is a fresh water. We can drink it. The ocean is shallow near the coast but away from the coastline. The ocean can be several kilometers deep. See, at seashore there is not a depth of sea is maximum. There is a shallow, ocean is shallow near the coast but away from the coastline the ocean can be several kilometers deep. Okay, see, in the next topic we see a great variety in the living things that inhabit these different regions. The polar bear, see in this picture, second picture is of polar bear, is seen only in the snowbound polar region. See, this white color polar bear is observed in the snowbound polar region. Zebra are found in Africa and kangaroo are found only in Australia because there is a atmosphere to adapt or to live. Suitable atmosphere for that animal is in that area. These animals are not found in any other region because other region there is not a suitable atmosphere for that animal. Elephants and lion are found in region of hot climate. Okay, plants in all these different regions also show a great variety. This variety is characteristics of those different regions. See friends, not only animals but also plant also shows very lot of diversity in a or on the earth surface. Okay, many different kinds of plants and animal microorganisms are found everywhere on the land, in water and in air. Living things exist in the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. They also interact with these spheres. This living world constitutes a biosphere. So friends, the living things we can observe or we have already observed in the lithosphere, biosphere and hydrosphere. So all these living things combinedly we known as biosphere, or we can call it as biosphere. So friends, this is the information about the biosphere. So always remember, all animal, plants and microorganisms are different on one another. They are also dependent on the spheres of the earth. The biosphere is where they take birth, live and die. Understand? The biosphere is where they take birth, live and die. So all these living things we call it as biosphere. So friends, this is the information about the biosphere, and this biosphere is necessary for all living things. So there is need to conserve atmosphere. Okay, so friends, we will stop here. The next part we have to take in the next video. Okay, thank you.